Yes, hello. It's I, Elijah John Eubank. And today I'm going to show you a look into logo types. It's a presentation by I, Elijah John Eubank. Let's begin. This here is Wordmark logo. A wordmark is a text-only typographic representation of a logo which involves the creative arrangement and modification of words to present a visual identity for a brand that will hopefully leave a lasting impression. The representation of the words becomes a visual symbol of the organization or product. Symbol or icon logo. A symbol is something that stands for or represents something else. An icon is a symbol that is widely known or recognized, like the Twitter logo, Target logo, Pepsi logo, Olympics logo, Apple logo, Shell logo, Nike logo, and Batman logo. Just so you know. What is lettermark or monogram? Monogram logos or lettermarks are logos that consist of letters, usually brand initials, IBM, CNN, HP, HBO. Noticing a pattern, yes? They're the initialisms of a few famous businesses with rather lengthy names. With two or three words to remember, they've each turned into using their initials for brand identification purposes. So it makes perfect sense for them to use monograms, sometimes called lettermark logos, to represent their organizations. Alright, we've got the combination mark logo. A combination mark is a logo comprised of a combined word mark or letter mark and a pictorial mark, abstract mark, or mascot. The picture and text can be laid out side by side, stacked on top of each other, or integrated together to create an image. Those like Burger King, McDonald's, Amazon, MasterCard, Kodak, Microsoft, Doritos, Lacoste, Hawaiian Airlines, and some other stuff too. Yeah. Next page. Emblem or crest logo. An emblem logo consists of font inside a symbol or an icon. Think badges, seals, and crests. These logos tend to have a traditional appearance about them that can make a striking impact. Thus, they are often the go-to choice for many schools, organizations, or government agencies. The Yahoo industry is also very fond of emblem logos. While they have a classic style, some companies have effectively modernized the traditional emblem look with a logo designs, but for the 21st century. Think of Starbucks' iconic mermaid emblem, or Harley Davidson's famous crest. Yeah, that one. You could look at this, you could look at that. There's also the Warner Bros. Logo you could see right there. Alright, my logos are logos that are made from a single line that doesn't change in weight. It looks like it could be created from a single strand of string. The monoline provides a stripped down, minimal look which can be crafted into a, say, or simpler design. Examples of logos include Airbnb and Instagram. Not shown in this slide. Only the Pet Detective, Fluctuate, Inked, Aida's, Blue Water, and Pearson Farms logos can be seen. Yep, that's the end. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. So long.